Mommy, can you make graham bar? It's so yummy. I like
You're
it.
eating it already.
Yes, but it's yummy. They have too much, and I can eat it. I love you, Mommy.
You like it? Uy, grabe. Ang sarap? Ang sarap eh.
Ang sarap eh.
You were in my tummy, George.
Pag naging graham bar na yan, mas masarap pa yan. Oh. Kinain mo agad. Okay?
I love you, Mommy.
Okay. Eat na.
Kakalata. Mommy.
Namin, kawo.